Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to introduce my friend and myself. My name is H. Mang Chin Fu. I am the Secretary Information and Public City, YPA Headquarters Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee. And my friend, Ms. Niang Mun Singh of Upper Lamka.
Good afternoon, everyone. Do you know why we are gathered over here? Please, can someone tell me why we are gathered over here? We are here for the Tribal Heritage Fashion Show, or we call it the fashion competition. And first of all, I'd like to welcome each one of you for spending some time with us, especially our chief guest, Sri Vijay Lakra. Thank you, sir, for taking some time off from your busy schedule, and we know that how busy your schedule is, but we are privileged to have you with us. I'd like to request you to come on stage and inaugurate this program for us. I'd like for garlanding him after his inauguration. Audience, will you please clap?
Well, the Young Paithya Association, which is a premier, non-political, non-profit, philanthropic organization with its motto altruism, and which was in line with implementation of sacrosanctity of religious value, rural development and reconstruction, relief and rehabilitation and creative utilization of leisure. Since its inception in March 3, 1953, it has all along been an organization that tirelessly served the cause of the society and the humanity at large through voluntary and selfless service. On the 3rd March 2003. So, to commemorate this occasion, the Young Paithya Association is organizing the first ever in Manipur, that is the Tribal Heritage Traditional Dress Designing Competition. The sole objective of the competition is to promote and preserve the colorful traditional attires of the tribals, which is woven and worn by our forefathers since time immemorial. Every tourist never missed to buy 2 or 3 when they come to Manipur. However, it is less useful to outsiders, especially because it is woven as lungis. So, modifying and redesigning these clothes so that they are internationally acceptable is also another objective of this traditional dress designing competition. At the same time, designers would be having the chance to prove their talents and display their talents in public and pave the way for their future career. So with this in view, with the consent of the Young Paithya Association General Headquarters and the organizing committee of the celebration committee, we come together today to watch those beautiful designs so that the dress could be internationally unacceptable dress. Meanwhile, I would like to introduce the YPA Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee Chairman and the Secretary. He is the Chairman of the Young Paithya Association Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee. Thank you, sir. Next, Mr. H. Siam Chin Ho, Secretary of the Young Paithya Association Headquarters Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee. Thank you.
Goodness me, I'm very nervous today. I'm very nervous to be standing in front of so many people, but what to do? I have a job to carry on. I wonder if the participants are nervous at all. I've got big butterflies in my stomach. young boys, I wish I had that. I was told when I was very young by my parents that everyone has gifts, a special gift from God. But I don't think I have the gift of singing. I wish I had that. Because I like to sing on stage and maybe dance as well. I would
dear guests, and all our aspiring, expectant, and thriving participants. First of all, I, on behalf of this BSF Training Center, STC, extend my warm and hearty welcome and wish all of you the best for making your program of celebration a success as well. But as we say, well begun, that is half done of the task. YPA has come a long way, 50 years, to have an opportunity to celebrate the golden jubilee of the association with a very novel and thoughtful idea of reviving the memory of its community heritage. Heritage, something which is inherited from our ancestors since ages, something which is transmitted from our ancestors. People might have seen them on the photographs, on television, etc., but actually know very little about this. So that it is also acceptable by other people, also suitable for other people. It is a very bold and ambitious step. In the rapidly changing scenario, it is the need of your community to adjust itself with a modern changing situation. However, one thing should always be kept in mind, that modification, redesigning in your costume is carried out, its originality remains there. Otherwise, the concept of tribal heritage is lost. I also belong to a tribal community. And that's why I know how it is so difficult to survive with the heritage in the fast-moving and changing world. Once again, I congratulate all of you for being lucky to celebrate this Golden Jubilee celebration, and also wish you all the best for this event. And I take this opportunity to extend my invitation to all of you to witness our passing out parade, a attestation ceremony of our recruits constable, which is going to be held tomorrow in the morning hours of 8 o'clock on our parade ground. The parade will start at 7:45 a.m. and will finish by 9:15 a.m. And so you can all also attend the church service after this. Thank you.
Bakhwal band come up on stage and perform their items. Anybody among the audience, if you are tired of sitting down, you can stand up, you can jump up and down.
Please take over the program.
Now model due, first model, second model, third model, fourth model, so on. Waidan ka, tunian na zatbang pangukha, third part saling nahon zatim ay. Okay. Ready tawya, naman tawya. Designers number 1. Designer number 1, Miss Baby Bunglian Kim. Miss Baby Bunglian Kim. She's from Tedim Road, Upper Lamka. Today, she had 6 models. She's going to show you 6 different designs of the traditional dresses which she has created. Baby Bunglian Kim and her firm to present their design.
This clothes is called clothing tent.
There's one left. It's a bridal uniform. designs which the designer Ms. Baby Bung Lian Kim have created. Okay, thank you, Ms. Baby. Let us proceed on to the designer number 2. Mr. Rick T. Mangte of Pearson Moon. He had 3 designs of different designs. And now, let's give them a big hand. Once again, I'd like to request the designer Mr. Rick T. Mangte to come forward. Rick T. Mangte of Pearson Moon. To the designer number 3, Mr. Robert T. Mangte. Robert Pangwon of Bumwon. Request Mr. Robot. Okay, let's give him a big hand. Next, contestant number 4, designer number 4 is, they are 2 designers, they are co-designers. I'd like to say, Mrs. Chin No and Ngai Lu. the co-designers of these 4 designs, Mrs. Chingno and Ngaidun. They are the co-designers. Thank you. Last but not the least, the last for the first 5 designer is Mr. Suan Lal. He had created 4 designs of various what I should say, shawls, traditional dress. So I would like to request them to show before the spectator. These are the 4 designs which the designer, Mr. Suan Lal, have created. Now I'd like to introduce him before you. Let's give them a big hand.
Your attention please to the designer number 1. May I have the privilege to put a few questions on you. What makes you design this combination? Are you sure that this combination will go on till the next generation to come on, or is it that this design is just for the sake of designing, or we are more towards the tribal heritage, in other words? But do you think this kind of combination will go on, even to the next generation? Are you sure you'll be able to pass on this combination to the next generation to come? Thank you. Thank you. ipon kon dong dia wa ti sila higakna ya design hong tel na hi le binamte niam kita pat pai to ya tu di ta na ikamizon buina question lama istanta ile le question no kha kamna hate to yesya na hizo tak nai lo banga pai ta ki nam kwani tisya gina ta pi wai lo ya tua kon design dia hile international level ada the ya wana gamdan to wa hilo lam ta na the ya tuna der de pomba hile ti ngai dan na lam ti adi sinai lo du abanga tua ya ka atek si dua kia atek si lo dua le tuan kia oi te wa the aya next generation tam pi hong tung ko pai to dia the nga ka design ni tak pa
one more. Adia kena yang wedding gown le melon nani. Kaya lagi akan tuan hon boleh jadi. Kita nak ada formal wear munci kuantian ini anak bol inam kuantam kita orang bang dia ka tua ideal konten kita.
Jadi bagi project plan dia yang mau biasa meeting kita bisa kena ini tu dia katakan dulu pagi dia inam kuan ni nanti teman-teman kada kia ana buat itu cuma kita tu kerja macam zena ada ke nai nombor yang nombor tuhan berarti jadi awak nakin paite kahi paite domi kahi kanam puan kita na kan itu pilih kita le tapi itu dia di kada pikir di sona dia kahi dia mana katalah jadi pasal puan galang puan siwa yang pasal yang di pasal galang inka to ya pun paisa tam kita le le pasal kan di tak piloa a di wa di ka ngai to dia ka yang design ka di pa
Kita boleh Miss Ritu Deri in the making. Wish you all the best.
ya na design nun hi hiak te kha abang sip ni nya hap tin na de ale designer po
Yai ka design pe na hi le yai I traditional dance kong ibol janga wa ibol pen kha tulaya pen kha imeban kha develop e jumo imeban develop hinjin wa ya pe na I design pen the two designing contest hi ba na yai ma ba na lam na dance competition kong azat ding modified imeban develop hi na zara kha zat dia ka ngai to le kan design kya ahia yai pe na hi le dance competition chi na ma banga enoi tu lai khang western modern dance chi khong wai te khong contest na di dana ja maban kwal na dana kan design ni no na yai pe na hi le kaya ka design na di ka most important chi dia wai pe ahia Queen Elizabeth to comparison ka bola hiya ka comparison na hi level yai pe ka Queen Elizabeth in kanidang laya address academia tunga ngina a le minority people tunga expensive dewa aka hiya yai pen kha to ai mabana khang to ding hiya yai design pen kha mi tungaong tung le Queen Elizabeth na ak the chidana kon design na kon po kya da hi ke pa ke
pa wan ma mai
Designer number 3, sorry. Designer number 3, Robert Thangmuan Le, a model stay.
Attention please to designer number 3. Na design teo hoi thia khat ni thum na ve kuna hoya kon pa sia to ke lampang ki patin ai zaken sing tang mi na to ke sai na YPA vai na gil ki dok ze na apen kha akhom khunu akhonu nga hoi diam hoi ke diam. I'm not very critical kon do da hi is that kon self work again le to loin mo vai zaken he kha bang huna Silviana Dea here, the pen, a number 1 pen, she got done.
Igam a sang kang to điều mo mai ni ta sang kang to a Miss Contest ti hong le ha bo tho wa mo Miss Contest dia dia contenders dia nya mai ke le nu mai hostess ding a mo ai kha nu mai hostess ding a Miss Contest hong chiang ai ke le function tuang hai zo me nam nya mo public gathering hong nya a dia kon bo ya dia ai dia mo ya hong kon thwa mo
Abana kahina bang kam ani lekha dije Abana design number 4 jino le ngadu corona te hong dong ni na kahon sam ai
Designer number 3 na yang ada nama ini. Apa dia nak ketawa? Ketawa itu dia. Kalau ni saya mahu nak designer tinggi, saya jadi sebagai hati berbeda hati seperti itu. Number 1 tak nak seperti ini. Dia bisa number A học tiền ha A là cả tiền khá gai thì cả còn bên đây tuy nào các trường là khen này cái này sẽ là cả cái vùng có đâu bị là thì các bạn cũng kêu cái nào nhỉ nó vô để mà nó không chỉ để là họ khá nhiều thì là một là chỉ học thì là mua cái vùng cái cái gì đấy thì ở qua cái tiền nó gọi là cái gì đó mà thì thấy là thì không được phân định mà thì cái bạn đi đó thì nắm thành gì đó thì nó có đi theo có mà không có thể phát xuất lên gì đó thì mà để còn nhá thì nộp gì đó ví dụ rằng ta được gì đó riêng những cái mối quan hệ này mà thì cái suy yếu của mình thì là cũng phải như vậy đó cái đồ điều đó thì nó đã không có dùng gì để cái đó để tham gia để là con mở đó rồi đi ăn thì mình không phải còn lại mà phải xem hiểu
Last first round piading ananum pin. Designer number 5, Mr. Swan Lalle, a model te.
But you're born make a big noise playing in the streets. Gonna be a big man someday. Got blood on the face, a big disgrace, kicking your can all over this place. We will rock you. We will rock you. But you're a young man, odd man, shy.
Hello, designer number 5.
Hello.
Cocktail dress. Ina loi na imu hak meng lo. HBO Hong Star Movies Hong imu hama. Hat bebe foreign akipan abela hong teloi kya imu. Now tu ina en atakina ipuan te mu hia te na hon bola kahon pakta a khapna a ke tutta ne na kabilam panga khapna a pi puan dum he phiao le puan dum ปวนโดนและเคเพียววงอาเฮียปันดีไซน์เตปังจิคุนเห็นละอินุงาเตเลตังบาเตนอาเลวนาเจียปังเจียกาเคเพียวเฮียค็อกเทลเดรสเมลโมเดลิงอาฮักเป็นปังเจียกาเฮียฮอนเตลตัวนั้นดีไซน์แต่งลีบางเสียกาตัวคอมบิเนชันเตฮอนเทลนะเฮียตัวบ้านนะอันนี้นั่นเองนะค็อกเทลเดรสเมลโมเดลนะอาเป็นบางเสียกาเฮียจิตเจียฮอนเทลนะเฮีย
อันนั้นสเปนนี่ที่บาทุกคนเห็นนะไอ้ค็อกเทลเดรสคนบอกแล้วนั่นเองแหละไอ้เนี่ยสักขาฮิลตัมปีค็อกเทลที่มาบางทีนะฮิลตัมปีเกลโคมค็อกเทลไอเฮียผู้จิตดุงสวยนะเฮีย I have sorry cocktail there's a long coat okay I'm so sorry no it's okay you go ahead please and there's a shirt okay KPL blended with white color okay so that it can be used during I'm sorry ใหญ่มากบางครั้งที่ป่าหุ่นเรียนดาวหุ่นอาสัตย์เทคยิงคนโบราณเฮียใหญ่เป็นอาบานอัตมาคนโบราณสันอาหินเล่at kung takihab jakin aban sabi kahon bola hima le asunga ya akwa le zat thei bi hiya ya kon ki design kha white ya nga kha aban a sleeve pen ka long sleeve ale bol thei bi nga ki bol la hi wai zo che ga kahon bola san tak isi le ama mi sang la hiya wai jakin hi bang duang nei te le ni kilom te pasal te na ai bang ahon ak chai na kilom nau natural ปัจจัยนี้อภิยากาอสุโมยอยากเสียวันจะกาใหญ่ฮอนโบลเทียกันอีกเกี่ยบังปังอาสามเงยงอยเตียนอาเทนเราดีมั้ง anyway thank you so much กักิปากลัว thank you โอเค
กินเลยกมูดลายะโนตินเลยขัดตีเบกอเมรุนมูดอุกักลามินะตัวเสียกินะขัดไปมองอาเฟกว่าผมไปร้าวไหลดิ้งนะอีสัมดิ้งอ่ะ 2, 3, 4, 5ผมที่ส่งงานดิ้งนะก่อนสัมภาระLet's give them a big hand. Photographer biar dia nak dan nak kira. Nasa azot yang na, ama sa tiyan ang painon din na, well. Ram masapin zota, puna abana, next 5 designer ini laya. Okay, ông Gele. Next 5.
đồng hồ năm phút ký đèn đi lên đã đang rung rung hoàng hôn hôm đêm chỉ để buồn rung hoa ấp kia vào đầu cha nhìn leo qua rồi đi bóng đu ta nó đi bằng hoàng đi trong vòng hoa hoa mất đi làm cái đi mong cùng chán mong hàng đi mong đi bằng hoàng đi nằm hồng qua qua mất đi đi làm lục làm cái đi mong cùng chán mong hàng đi.
Lấy thôi.
Ma come un del foto?
Next 5, designer. Designer number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Totina so on is Luna, Lumatina refreshment of home Dimwa, Agilkial Yomle, Atamle Yakale de Hampa Itidiga. Twina, next round Alina, designer number 6, Hena, Designer number 7, Nancy and Jingyu. Designer number 8, Esther Zekimboy. Number 9, Ile, Wan Samut Kaitan. Designer number 6, Mr. Hena Ina. Model Aniya, Tuate. A design a model te, Nipite le Judge te Maya, Kon Lakidi na Kasanta Ahi.
You see me walking down the street, staring at the sky, begging not to feed. You just pass me by, it still makes me cry. You can make me whole again. You see me with another man, laughing and joking, doing what I can.
We'll move on to the next designer number 7. Code is new. Ina, designer number 7. Ina, na model de design de, nipi de Judge de Maya, also hedi na kaun sakta ahi.
You gotta get that he can surely take. The signs of the times are dropping like fire. The fires of the people around us and pride. They're looking for an answer that we already know, but time is definitely on the go. All the time.
Abana Tumom Laya. Designer number 8, 9, and 10. Laya Tuina. Designer number 8, Mrs. Esther J. Kimboy.
So forget about it.
Abana, the second last, designer number 8, no sorry, designer number 9, designer number 9 he tu kidim na model how pen design how pen ya atta amana model kiat ni ai.
With his pimple way down low. Ain't no sound but the sound of his feet. Machine gun ready to go. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of your seat? Out of the door where the bullets swing to the sound of the beat, yeah. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one's gone. And another one's gone. Another one bites the dust. 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 And another one's gone. And another one's gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
And last designer number 10, Mrs. Dari Hangsi and Minel. Dating here around Ion Sote. We now second round, question round. This is question round. Adina Kasamunona. Designer number 6, Hena and Party. About Deka, Tuina, Humpaidin Kasama.
Brother to brother, we need to learn to love each other. So lean on me when you're in trouble. I cast my care for Christ, cause he cares for me, so give me a shit to cry on. Just lean out. Props to my man, sweetie. 1, 2, 3. Lean on me when you're strong, and I'll be afraid. I'll be afraid. I'll carry on anymore. It won't be long that I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Sometimes in our lives we all have pain, we all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me, sing it to me, sing it to me.
Hello. Designer number 6. Na design the evening gown, evening wear, party dress. Le adam dam te ahia. Na thi ma ma kon pak sa kon pak tau. Atia kena male model na ni. Waya by the Pondum leg. In park, light yellow, lemon yellow. Bangzia Kawai, a yellow pin. Tail, Naya.
Yai có gì?
He.
Yai ka apoto alexu bangkat. Kwami ati hay daw din tin. Yai kong ka ben sat ka. Temi kiti pet manin. Kaya anong lamle itin. Temi kiti pet na hihat ka. Pakipak.
Lady in black is beautiful, so also Puan Lai San, Puan Dum, Le Puan Lai San. Tiền tiêu na design ting ting ahoya. Na tunga kakipak pian na kakipake.
Kakipake le.
Ni nakawa model etama na hotel asiyama ahoya aja kina green top apa itu quantum le egg. Yes, thank you. Black malam masalah wajah senior navy blue teng le anu ngate na design te oi te mama hoi veka Puan Lai San bang le hoya black midi and le Adam Tele bana Goteker. In particular, ada kena tua thum kahon tel hiang zual te kahon dong dinga bangzia ka ya na meite puan ten dik sin ni meite ana ten se ku avom pasalin aleu chi hiya malam
yai malam pe na hi le min itan lo dik dik ka hi yakin en atam thi pen tang thele thi ka udya kwa kwana ka kon bolo hi nok ni da ni ale zat thi ya a haw a tong in zat thi ya man tong thi thi ya kon bolo hi
kakipaka a ing pen le khat ka hom dong la di a green le a hoya le ngau te khel anunga om te le Puan Lai San le malam ma le hoya a green tiền bằng giá ka green tiền đi theo quan tampi này tiền là cả a hình tiền kha a vàng à cái gì dia bằng giá ka cái combination tiền ý dia
yai pe na hi le kwan astan ango abom ji khong I ha zan ma lawa da green ki ji zat bang ja kon kilom ka sak luat ja pa kon boloi
no le kakipake kakipake Abana Dina, designer number 8, Esther J. Kimboy.
You have the same piece with the just previous designer with green and white.
Bangzia ka waya puanak angau pen puan dum puanak anga suktai a oma a hikola le oma wai changna angonga anunga neuchik akibel oma bangje ka hiai hichi banga bangchi huna zaddi hichi banga zaddi chia tel ihia bol ihia
hiai kamis puanduma kizem hi nop ni khwa a ei minam sungten kha pasal ten form chi dan nei lovina nu mei ten puandum itenga puanak lai san to ineya pasal ten hi nop ni khwa in hi puanak sil ding khat le introduce kha ta om nai lo ziakin pasal te sil dia kon bol kha ta hiya amaya adung yal hi ipaite nam puandum thupi tak ahi ziakin apum pi agyalin ale nal lo de hi manina neu kha modify kon bol a hiya waya asakhawa baphual neu tik atwanga hiai hi iminam iit na iminam nam thupi hi na kalat tak na a kon bo a hi
embroidery hi painting ki bol ha
hiai pen kha kadi dan takin hunatom ziakin hi hoi taka apuan ma azep ut hina pi ina hunaki dai lo ziakin hiai chu painting a kon hi phatu a hi
ka ki pa ke Puan in black waistcoat kaki phua pen bang puan ta
cái tiền mất
hiai hi ho to
cái thì lệ dầu mi năm puan này
dầu mi nam puan
suat khắc
red le
cái tiền là hiện lệ nụm ya
pai te puan dum pen to gel neu tikina amado ken hong pai leu dầu mi nam puan to okay nomia pen te waya nomia angowa parallel line bia puan dum pen hinai lo nomei puan ango as pay zum lak de la line pai pay pen tua ti kha bangai ta puan dum hia
cái tiền mất
anwa ya tua akhot koi na laka alaya pai pay pen a pay pai a gol zo deu a thei zo nga parallel lines tua pen
cái tiền là hiện lệ dầu mi năm puan ít gì hiện nụm ya dia ki bola hiya cái tiền là hiện lệ pasal sil gi puan suat khắc ipuan hina pi mi tam pin i thei kiwa koi jaga kon po kya ka hiya apuan ten apuanak ini nai kiwa apuan ten ina oma apuan ten in iten chang in chu hit zong ateng ahong hidia phei zong in hit zong in a design hong pai phei dia himale tun ni ga yon bol chang in asuk zong a hi jon ki bol hi
Hoy lâu ngủ tịch her necktie le waistcoat le shas abat tho oma wai te ki modify here ai ke le hi chi di ma ya ke yaw hi zo ya le
ให้เป็นงติเคอเฮียให้เป็นอหิเลทางสวะ
ทันสวบวัน
ทางสวะวันเฮียให้เป็นอหิเลสัลพาให้เป็นเคเพียว
ตอนดีปวนดุมนี่ก็จะคุยเป็นบางจิคนนาเตียนดีสิลดีขุกดีอินาอิเดีย
ดีปวนดุมเป็นอหิเลจำสินนี่เฮียนาวปังเตียนเฮียบางอย่างคอนเฟอเรนซ์ของอันเดนจังว่าดีปวนดุมเป็นนุไม่เดียเดียกระเดเดียกะปวนักเป็นอหิเลปวนักไลสันอิจเดียไปที่ปวนดุมาเกี่ยวเจ้าอิจังว่าอดังนี่เราจะคนดีปวนดุมแล้วจึงหิเทเลจีกระเดเดียกะดีปวนดุมาคนเฮีย
ยาอาสันดุปาไปที่ปวนดุมอาตัวนากิเตงว่ายาอะไรก็นาอมนาอาบบเป็นนินบางเอ็กซักเนี่ยกิบอเลยเด้อ
เอาไว้ฮีเลยอันหนักนางอาสุ่มที่เพก็ฮี
ก็กิปากเอง
อะไรเราต้อง
Please stay back. Oh, this is nice. Okay, designer namanya anak visually happy sekali. Designer painter. Dia buat idea seperti itu semua. Avec kursi na dia. Dena shape yang penkan maintain isinya mana? Ni mereka pasal ten tu shape yang warna kena isinya tinggi. Tidak nanti ale, nanti ale dengan salah warna sistem tu berjana saya konsen ni kita tuan tiga pen pasal ten tan suatu salah warna kami kena kui mana? Wajib abang muna di dia benda dia ni.
Wah, dengan Malaysia kemudian dana apa salah penin salah wan silek. สังฟ้าอีกทีเลยทางสวะไว้ที่เกี่ยวอดีตโดนก็เสียเลยนะทีนี้นั่นอีกเรื่องนึงเลยเป็นเกี่ยวกับเรื่องปัสสาวะวันอาทิตย์วันอาทิตย์เลยมีดองมีหาวนี่ที่สิ่งพูดให้เป็นอะไรดีบ้าง
Last designer
Designer number 10, your kind attention please. Malua anak terima number 1 kita tinggal dan nak pilih apa dia, apa mama. Saya kadang nanti, saya nanti nak seperti kami ngote kerana kita bang kita seperti seleksi nanti jawabannya designer buat.
kami siya kita design dan ini numite na maulok niya bangya function bangya ni niya ni ka ngau te kher bang ite wa wan dum bang ite ke wa ni pasal ten ka iti bang khong ibat sukwa huti lawina pasal ten le bangya kipani kilhi ni maulok ni khong alu ipuan ngong te kher ka iti na wana kin bo de na athi le ham ti dana khong bo ni
อันนี้ที่ปานีโมไอเกเลตัวเมาลบนาเต็มที่โมไอเกเลใช่ที่ปานีเมาลบนี้สีฟังโม
din kon di de wa ni
ki pa hai ki ke pa ma
cultural dance form และลามที่สอนนี้ที่ละปล่อยคนเข้ามาจากที่บางทีแต่ละปล่อยเกณฑ์จังเลยปล่อยนักศึกษา
ย้ายวันตุ่มเปนะอีเลยน้ำถิลฮีนี่มั่งสีของปังอาดีนะตัดเดียวว่าหิมาเลนุเมนชูอันนี้ดีนะสิลตัวเทวะเฮียเฮียเปนะอีเลยนุเมนะอาเตียนถอยนะเสียนี้นะอีจังหวะก็สัลเตียนเลยเสียอาพวกเปวินเลยสิลเทดีนะเขาที่เป็นนาวปังเซรอนตั้งวาลหิเลยปาปีเตหิเลยเสียอาศัยเทดีสิดานะอันนี้
round meeting ita today so tuina last and final round abe kuna designer number 6 7 8 19 Ladies and gentlemen, Reza Anta, Reza Ipiyahnya. Kuina, kirim tu, kena anak kirim sa, designer model timbal tua, designer model tapi itu yang kita pakai kira. Mabana, third words ina, jihad jihad kita tahu kira, hundi kaya special ay mana. Kuita tu guna isos hal seri solaya nipite tina. Atak kerana pendapat yang sini kawan yang dipakai.
Function. We have seen through various designs which are super excellent and creative. As we come to the end of this program, I express my sincere thanks to the additional DIG SPC BSF, invitees, participants who have made this program successful. Now, request the chairman of the Young Party Association headquarters Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee to say few words, and in the meantime the kindle lane will be brought up to the ramp. Then after he finishes it, I request him to blow off the lane, and that will be the end of our function.
I'll take this privilege to give my thanks to our chief guest.
Respected DIG, Le Seppi Eutute, Amasapenin OIPA Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee Sigle Tangin Nafekona Sibai Ambukai Kaginta Kelina Lotina Itangwa Tonina designer te ile model te ile kahongu ina nakwak nalu simse lingganu sumle paina sen lingganu thale sumle sen dan ding ting tengu kanangai tua kakipak loa kamit pribang analong yala committee akipu tung in standing mid kind Namukhon thay hilim tu kapata kay him dia away kasat itili teteng tengu athon kay dia Golden Jubilee ni chena na hong lak diwa wadung changin ipol pina a en dia a vekina kepit thay za le zat thay ding za ting a thupi thai pen a tam thai pen aman tam thai pen na zat a hi ding chi tunina designer te laka le heu tu hong pai te jang dena kapuang ai e hunu a bichil tak to tam kagen ke dinga Jubilee ni chena dam takin nuam takin kipak takin ikimudi ngurci kahong dei sakin kahong tukha ai on behalf of the Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee invite our respected DIG and his colleague to participate on the 50th anniversary OIPA. Thank you.